Hi, Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim with today's aerobics workout. So it's a gentle aerobics workout. Watch out if you're wearing bare feet. There's nothing you're going to stand on. Just be aware of anything you might walk into. We're not going to move any further than the width of a mat. Legs nice and wide. Bend the knees slightly, feet turned down. You're going to tap the right toe. Got to be comfortable. So your nice soft knees. Change sides. Let's take it to heel raises, alternating. So you're going to lift the right, lift the left. Well done. Think of pulling the belly in, shoulders are back and relaxed, head is up, chin retracted. I'm going to turn sideways so you can see a little bit of better what I'm doing now. I want you to bend your knees, sit back slightly. And little bend and lift. Little bend, as if you're sitting back in the chair, keeping the head up. You can use your arms for balance, but try not to reach forward. It's really only used for counterbalance. So keeping that low bend, we're going to reach to the side. Think about your upper body being between two panes of glass. Other side. Okay, let's go back to the first side. Lifting the elbow a little bit higher this time. Other side. Let's move up onto the toes. Lifting, alternating shoulders. Lift. And lift, well done. Circle it back. So if you want to, you can take it to both arms, elbows on the shoulders, hands on the shoulders, and make it bigger. Again, this is optional. If this is too much for you, keep it lower. Little bend in the knees, keep them soft, feet slightly turned out, ankles should be comfortable. Come back to centre, bend those knees, up, bend, and lift. Squeezing that bottom, under, pulling the belly in, keeping breathing. Holding it down, hands on the top, we're going to reach the side, and centre, other side. Try and keep your hips facing towards me. You can add an arm round to the side if you want. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it onto the toes. I'm going to reach across with a little turn of the body. Make sure your knees and ankles are comfortable. If they're not, make the movement smaller or adjust the position of your feet. You can keep the arm low, or if your arms are comfortable in an upright position or reaching up, then. If you want to make it hard, it's both arms. If you're breathless, please take the arms down to singles or to the lower position. Cross the body, singles. Keep those knees soft, little bend if you can. 4, 3, 2. We're going to take it higher for those that want to. And doubles. Well done. Let's bring that foot in now. Add side arms. This time we're taking the arms up to about shoulder height and back down. Try and keep the shoulders relaxed. So you're not hunching them up, nice big gap between the ears and the shoulders. Bum. I'm going to turn so you can see. I'm taking my heel towards my bum. So really good for the balance. Those that can, try and touch the heel with the other hand. Don't worry if you can't. If it's too much, just tap the toe in slightly behind. The That's your harder option or easy option. So you're just tapping the foot slightly behind. Let's bring that foot in front. So those that can, you're going to touch in front. If you can't, just open out the hip and touch the toe forward. Take it behind. So you're either going to tap behind or touch behind. And we're going to add some arms for those who want it with the next track. Shake the legs out. Are you ready? Kicking back. Bring the arms down. Again, you don't have to do the arms. Bring them forward and back. Really feel that stretch across your back and in the back of the elbows. Let's take it in front. So if you can reach up the arms, reach the arms up even. If that's no good for you, opening out the hip. We're really trying to open out through the hip. Knee lifts. On the right. Reach, reach. Again, if that's too much, just keep it small. Change. So you can keep it here or have it here. And change. For 4, 3, 2, and change. 4, 3, 2, and change. 4, 3, 2. I know I only did 3 there. If you're finding it too much, do 3 and rest. And you can take it to singles. So you can keep it small, or you can take it to a toe tap. If you're feeling a little out of breath now, I'm going to make it harder. Arms go higher. So take those legs wide, opening out the hips. So again, if it's too much for you to lift the knee, take a little toe tap. If you want to make it harder, lift the knee to the side and push, push. So it can be push with a tap or a lift. Well done. Take it in front. I'm going to take it to a toe tap now. Swinging the arms, kicking behind. And in front. Pick the arm movement that works for you. I'm trying to open up through the hip, touch the other foot if I can, or aiming towards. If that doesn't work, you can open out through the hip. Behind, either a toe tap or touching the heel. So if you're doing it the hard way, it's here or here. Knee lifts. 4, 3, 2, and change. 4, 3, 2. Change for 2, and singles. After the next one, singles. Well done. March it through. Taking the arms out to the side. Right shoulder, left shoulder, right shoulder. Left, right. Keep those feet moving. If that doesn't work for you, just swing the arms, keep the feet moving. Well done. Catch your breath. Just swing the feet across. Well done. Moving across to the left-hand side of your mat, we're going to do 2 steps to the right. Step together and back. So make that as small as you need to. I'm keeping it reasonably large. I've got space and I've still got a little bit of puff left. Now, you have an option. If you can do a grapevine, please do. If you can't, stick with this step. Okay, well done. So for grapevine, step, cross behind, step together, So those that want to do it, just go ahead. I'm going to do it slowly. For those who don't quite know what I'm talking about, step, cross behind, step, together, step, cross behind, step, together, step, cross behind, step, together. Up to speed if you can. But again, your body, your workout. If you'd rather say with the double side steps, that's absolutely fine too. Right, we're going to change on the end. So step, cross, step here, touch out, step, cross together, touch out. Well done. The higher you lift the elbows here, the harder you're going to work the back of your arms. Get rid of those bingo wings. So those that want to can do a turn on the way back. Step, grapevine, turn. That's quite hard, so don't worry if you can't do it. Stick with your grapevine. Oh, I'm feeling giddy. Last one for me. Single steps. Bang the drum. Really getting those arms up. So this time they're in front of us. Hands one on top of the other, as if I'm banging a drum. Feeling that at the back of the arms. Keep that head up. Let's pull the shoulders back. Circling the shoulders back. Again, just keep it small. If you can, you'll sit down almost as you're sitting back in a chair. Take it behind, pull that belly in, bend the legs slightly, lean forward. Be really aware of what's going on with your back here. And in front. Energy, then please leave it out. Take it side to side. And behind. Really be aware that you're not arching your back when you do this one. Are you ready to take it in front? With a heel dig this time. Show me your hand. Push, push. Back arm is relaxed, front hand is pushing forward. Really flexing at the wrist, getting some mobility into that wrist, to the side. Well done. It's supposed to be winter here in England. It's surprisingly mild. We haven't had our heating on yet. Shouldn't have said that, should I? November starts next week. Let's take it behind. Heel digs in front, so pushing the heels. Show me the hand. Really flexing the feet up and flexing the hands up, the wrists. So give you some movement in those wrists. Let's march it through, right, left. Those shoulders relax, swing the arms forward and back. So a little movement forward and back. Doesn't really matter whether you're in time with the music. Well done. Let's take the right leg back, push the heel down into the ground. Knees above the ankle, leaning slightly forward, feeling the stretch in the back calf. So, if you're finding that you can't balance, make sure your legs aren't too close together, take them wide, watch your back foot is pointing forward. Pull the belly in, hands resting on the front knee, a nice straight line from the top of the head through to the heel. Let's change legs. This time left leg goes back, watch that back foot is pointing forward, pull the belly in, keep breathing, just feel that stretch. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye for now.